Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious eggplant curry. Let's go to the ingredients. We need 300 to 350 grams eggplant or brinjal. And then we need some lime leaves, about 3 to 5 pieces maybe. And 1 stalk of lemongrass. And we need some ginger, about half thumb size minced ginger. We also need a blue ginger, about half thumb size. We also need some cashew nuts, about 25 grams. I'm going to toast them in a pan. 250 milliliter thick coconut milk and 250 milliliters of water. And for other spices, 1.5 tablespoon of grounded coriander, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1.5 tablespoon of dried coarse chili, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. You can replace it with white sugar. 30 milliliters of cooking oil. Toast cashew nuts at medium-high heat about 10 to 12 minutes. And while waiting, we can do some cuttings. Just slice the blue ginger into 2. And we only need a thumb size of ginger. Thinly slice the ginger and the cashew nuts are almost done. We need to mince the ginger. I need some salt water for soaking the eggplant so that they are not going to turn brown. I have washed the eggplant and now I am going to cut and slice them into some pieces. I prefer bigger slice for my eggplants. So I just cut them into 4 and each piece I will cut into 4 again. Leave them in the salt water. Okay, let's start our cooking. Heat up the pan in medium-high heat and pour in the cooking oil. After 1 minute, we can drop down the ginger. We are going to saute the ginger. It takes about 2 minutes. Drop down the lemongrass and then followed by the blue ginger. Just saute them for a while. Coriander. Let's drop the chili. curry powder, then followed by turmeric and paprika. Mix them well and do some saute until we can smell the aroma of the spices. You can also see the color change into more brown. Now we can pour in the coconut milk, but we only need 1/3 of the whole coconut milk. We also need some water. Mix them well. Put in the cashew nuts. Pour in the remaining water. Cover it and let simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. Turn down the flame or the heat into medium-low. After about 5 minutes, we can check it out. Do some stirring to avoid burning. "12 minutes is over. We can put in the eggplants. Turn up the heat to the highest. Flip the eggplants facing down for quick cooking and for them to easily absorb the curry gravy. After that, we can pour in the remaining coconut milk. Try to mix them well. And don't forget, we still have salt and also the coconut sugar. Mix them well. Cover it and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes at medium-low heat. Wow! It smells really good. The eggplants look transparent. It means that it is well cooked. I hope you enjoy my cooking. If you like my cooking, please give thumbs up, share and comment down below, okay? And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, okay? Let me try it.
Yummy, yummy.
Thanks for watching. Bye.